Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock YouTube screen on your phone. So what you want to do, go ahead and open up a video that you want to watch. Let's say you want to give your kid your phone to watch something, but you don't want them to be messing around and clicking. You just want them to lock it. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and open up the video. Then from here, click the settings gear, and here you'll find lock screen, and you can simply tap on lock screen.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in
And
today's
that's
video,
pretty much
I
it,
do want to
guys.
speak
Once
about
you're ready to
Harry
unlock
Kane
it,
because
just go
it is
ahead and tap on
official.
unlock,
Barcelona are interested.
and that's going to unlock the screen. So as you can see right there before that, once I lock the screen, it basically put my phone in a landscape mode where that I can watch it normally. And so this works perfectly well when you want to give, for example, a kid your phone and you want them to watch, but you know the kids, they're always touching and trying to press and trying to explore, and you wouldn't want that. So you just want to give them the phone, watch whatever is on the screen, and enjoy it. So that's how you would actually do it, guys. You want to go ahead and lock the screen. So that's pretty much it. That's how you lock your screen on YouTube. Very easy and very simple.